The Great Adventure of Tchad and Friends. Tchad loved adventure. He dreamed of exploring new places, meeting new people, and seeing amazing things. One day, Tchad told his three best friends, Maya, Ben, and Chloe, about his amazing plan. "We're going to explore the island of Avani," he exclaimed. Maya, who loved taking photos, said, "Really? What's it like?" Ben, the practical one, asked, "How will we get there?" Chloe, always excited, just shouted, "Yes, let's go!" Avani was a small island, far away. It was famous for its beautiful beaches, tall mountains, and friendly people. They planned their trip carefully. They saved their money, bought tickets on a big ship, and packed their bags with sunscreen, hats, and lots of snacks. The ship journey was long. They saw dolphins jumping in the ocean. They played games, read books, and told stories. Finally, after many days, they arrived at Avani. The island was even more beautiful than the pictures. The air was warm and the sun shone brightly. They checked into a small, friendly hotel near the beach. The owner, a kind old man named Captain Joe, gave them a warm welcome. "Welcome to Avani," he said, smiling. "You must try our famous coconut juice." They spent their first day relaxing on the beach. The sand was white and soft. The water was clear and blue. They swam, sunbathed, and built sandcastles. Maya took hundreds of photos. In the evening, they ate delicious seafood at a restaurant by the beach. The next day, they decided to explore the island. Captain Joe lent them a map. They followed the map, walking along winding paths through lush green forests. They saw colorful parrots flying through the trees and monkeys swinging from branch to branch. "Look at that monkey!" Chloe exclaimed, pointing to a small monkey eating a banana. They reached a waterfall. The water cascaded down rocks, creating a misty spray. They took a refreshing swim in the cool water. Ben, careful as always, checked the depth before jumping in. Later, they climbed a small hill. From the top, they had a spectacular view of the whole island. They saw the blue ocean, the green forests, and the white sandy beaches. It was truly breathtaking. One evening, Captain Joe invited them to a local festival. There was music, dancing, and lots of delicious food. They tried different kinds of fruits, vegetables, and local dishes. They learned some simple words in the local language and tried to dance like the locals. It was a lot of fun. On another day, they went on a boat trip. They saw amazing coral reefs and colorful fish. They even saw a sea turtle. Maya took underwater photos, which were stunning. One day, they got a little lost while hiking in the mountains. They were walking along a narrow path when they suddenly heard a strange sound. They couldn't see anything. They were a little scared. Ben, using his compass, helped them find their way back to the main path. Throughout their adventure, they helped each other. Maya's photography skills documented their journey, Ben's practicality ensured their safety, and Chloe's enthusiasm kept their spirits high. Tchad, the leader, ensured they stuck to their plan and made the most of their time. They learned a lot about the island's culture, its people, and its nature. They learned to appreciate the simple things in life, the beauty of nature, the warmth of the sun, and the kindness of strangers. After 2 weeks, it was time to go home. They said goodbye to Captain Joe and promised to visit again. On the ship, they looked at their photos and shared stories of their adventures. They were tired, but happy. They had seen amazing things, experienced new cultures, and made memories that would last a lifetime. They had faced challenges and overcome them together, strengthening their friendship. Their trip to Avani was more than just a holiday. It was a great adventure, a journey of discovery, and a testament to their friendship. They knew with certainty this wasn't their last adventure. The world was vast, and there were so many more places to explore. Their next adventure was already beginning to take shape in their minds.